Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Now Pluto Trigger have sent me this, so we'll have a look and get into it. So, opening it up, there's another package inside. We're going to open this up. And there we are, Pluto Trigger. And on the front of this says 24 modes. Bluetooth connection, shutter release, time lapse, star trail, long exposure, HDR, high speed sensors. And there's an app that goes with this, and you can download that from sort of iOS, so Apple or Android. So Google Play. Right, so inside is this black box. It's quite nice. And so come on, open up. So inside we've got the Pluto Trigger. In the middle there we've got it's an American style USB plug. I'm in the UK, but I've got plenty of those anyway. So we've got the trigger there. And we've got an on-off switch there at the top. And at the side there's these three little buttons. So you've got one for the camera. One is the mini USB. That's for charging. And then the other one is the auxiliary. So that's good. Also in this box is a laser. Now it's only a low power laser, but it's important that you mustn't get this in eyes. So we got a laser pointer, which again can be charged, and there's like a 2.5 mil plug on the back with a mini USB. So that's that. So further in the box we've got this, a little packet. I'll open this up. What have we got? Oh, we've got some leads. So what leads have we got? We've got a lead there which is presumably for the Fuji, but I mean this will attach to the PC socket. On a Fuji X-T1, that's not the one I want. In here we got the this is the charge. This is a USB to 2.5. Not sure what that does or what camera. I think that's a Sony fixture. There's also a 2.5 to 3.5 little adapter there, and also a USB, which is for charging. In the bottom here we've got a quick start guide, and there's a couple of QR codes which presumably will take you straight to the software package. So there's some great stuff there, and well, we've downloaded the app, and it gives you the manual actually in the app. You can go to their website to find the manual, but it's all in there. So there's a lot of things it will do, and it won't do that for every camera, but you have to state what camera you want. So on the Pluto app, basically it gives you a whole list of things, starting with shutter, release, time lapse, HDR, star trail, video, and timer. Then further down you've got the photo sensors, which have got the laser, you've got a sound sensor, you've got a light sensor, lightning, infrared, and that all comes within the main part of the Pluto. It's got droplet, auxiliary, fusion, which I don't know what fusion means. But it's also got smart sensors, which is actually from your camera. You've got sound, you can make the sound to the camera and it will trigger the camera. You've got vibrate, motion, distance, I don't know what distance is, voice and smile. Switch this on, so you get 3 lights. With the Bluetooth you can pair these up, and once paired they stay paired, and then that gives you functions to everything. So sound, I can see visually on here that how it's triggering. Please subscribe, and if you've got any queries, if there's any videos you want to see, just leave it down below and we'll get back to you. We'll see you again next time.